Should I go back and get the umbrella? 1.2 mile loop. I've been up to Shrimp Lake. It's nothing you want to see. Buck Lake is really pretty though, so we're gonna go up to Trout Lake and then we're gonna cut over from here and I'll show you guys what Buck Lake looks like. Umbrella hiking. It's the only way to travel. Oh no! The big old tree fell down. That thing was huge. I love these little things. They're always blooming up here on this hill by the lake. There's a sign coming up. That's exciting. Probably about fishing is what I'm guessing. Yeah, no fishing beyond this point. Oh, look at all the bugs. Phew, that stinks. Oh, that's what it is. There was a dead buffalo over here. Look at his teeth. I'm sure there was bears and wolves chowing down on that. Those bones have been picked clean. One thing I noticed while looking at this is these big boulders that are on top of it. I think that's evidence of a bear trying to bury this. Bears will try to bury their carcasses so that other animals can't smell it. That's a bald eagle, just flew right over my head. It's like a phoenix. Trading the tripod for the umbrella was probably the best decision I've ever made. It has not stopped raining this entire hike. I keep thinking it's starting to let up, and then it just starts back up again. Well, the geese just flew away. They said we've had it with this dump. And I think I'm gonna have to give up now too.
I've had it with this dump!
It's unrelenting rain and my backpack, I just realized, is soaking wet. So I haven't been holding the umbrella down close enough to me. I think it's rained more on this hike than Utah gets in an entire year. Well, now it's raining just as hard as ever. I was gonna wait and try to see if it would stop raining, but it just keeps raining harder and harder. Although I can see those mountains, which gives me hope. False hope.
Just a fool's hope.
Let's see what time it is. 7:09. 73 degrees and sunny. My ass. I'm cold and wet, but we're gonna wait here until it stops raining. Could be here for days. This wide angle makes this umbrella look huge. It's not this big. I finally got my raincoat out of my backpack and I put my backpack underneath it, which I should have done in the very beginning.
Duh.
I'm not a smart man.
It stopped raining just enough that it's given me some hope to go to the other lake. It's revitalized my spirits. Along with putting on this rain jacket, I'm a little bit warmer, so we're gonna do it. Now we got a view. We just had to wait an hour in the rain by Trout Lake for the rain to stop. Little marshy pond down there. Soaked to about mid-calf. If I was a bear, I'd love to just curl up right there. Eggshells. They fall out of a nest somewhere up there. Oh man, these things are like up to my waist. I'm getting soaked. Alright, my feet are getting cold now. Time to waddle our butts back to the car, drive back to the cabin, make ourselves some bacon, sausage, eggs. Doesn't that sound good? Warm our bones beside the fire. If I was a bear, I'd be sleeping right under that log. That'd be so warm. Look at that. I'm back at Trout Lake, and look how peaceful it is now. The rain has finally stopped. What time is it? Did you guys see that fish jump? 8 o'clock. Oh my gosh, it's so peaceful without the rain. Just us, the birds, and the fish. You can see the ducks over there swimming. There's one lone elk down there. Oh, he just went behind the tree. You know, last night, me and my dad watched 3 wolves chase a cow elk around just right up here. Oh, there's the valley. You can see the road way up there. Oh, this rock was tailor-made for us, wasn't it? Oh boy, we will sit right on this rock. Oh, those geese scared me. Oh, it's a crane. Alright, sit down here. Boy, those are loud, aren't they? I can't even see them. I can just hear them. Oh, there's an elk running up into the trees over there. You can't really tell on camera, but the road is like glowing from the reflection of the sun on the wet pavement. There's the cow pop I stepped in. Nothing feels or smells as fresh as Yellowstone after the rain. Whoa. A little bit slick. Dead tree in the water. It's got grass growing all along the trunk. See that little bird up on top of there? When's he gonna fly away? He's not. Got rain much? My goodness. That hike really took it out of me. Hope that was fun for you guys. I am soaked to about mid-thigh. It was a rainy day.